Welcome back. Today, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step installation and a brief overview of MTU DiaSys version 2.74, an essential professional tool for deep diagnostics on 2 engine series. To begin, navigate to your installation folder where the software has been extracted. Locate the file named Setup DiaSys V74. A critical tip for a smooth setup: always right-click the file and select Run as Administrator. This ensures the installation process has the necessary system permissions to configure all components, including essential redistributables like Microsoft Visual C++. Simply follow the prompts, click Next, and allow the installer to complete the configuration. Once the main software is installed, it is vital to set up the supplementary packages found in the add-ins folder. You must install the communication drivers, such as Ixxat VCI, to ensure your computer can talk to the EQ hardware without interruption. Verify if your system requires the ADEC configuration. Correctly installing these add-ons is the key to maintaining a stable connection and avoiding communication errors during field operations. Now let's launch MTU DiaSys from the desktop shortcut. On the initial startup, a language selection window will appear. For the most consistent experience with global technical documentation, I recommend selecting English United States. Once you click OK, you will be greeted by the professional DiaSys interface, ready for diagnostic work. Take a look at the Select Type of Unit Management screen. DiaSys 2.74 supports an extensive range of control units from legacy EQ1 MDEC systems to modern EQ7, EQ8, and even complex EQ9 or MESIS 5 systems. Each unit listed features a camera icon that provides quick access to connection diagrams or EQ locations, ensuring that technicians can operate with absolute precision directly at the engine. We have now completed the basic installation and setup. In our next session, we will dive deeper into reading fault codes and calibrating live engine parameters.
Thank you for watching.